there, welcome to the second part of this relaxing film photography in Florida thing, or whatever the f it is I'm calling it. In this video we're going to put some chill music on, we're going to throw some film photography up on screen, nice relaxing vibe. You're going to see some stuff from the Pentax 17, some photos from the Canon A1, some photos from a Kodak M35, some photos from the Minolta Dynax 7, running out of space on the desk here, and also some photos from one of the weirdest cameras that I own. It's basically a film SLR, but only a point and shoot, which sounds weird, but there's something kind of magic about this. There's like 3 videos on the entirety of YouTube about this, and you can still buy it for like £16. I just had a look on eBay now. Let me know if you want me to make a video about this, because it's such a sick camera. It should be shit, but somehow it's really good. But anyway, that is enough of me banging on. Let's get to the f***ing photography, shall we? And don't forget to give your dog a little scratch behind the ears from me. Peace.